Okay, you're on.
So about a year ago, I started feeling like popping or like clicking noise in my head, and I had no idea what it was. And this went on for like a year, and we finally figured out that it was my jaw, and I got the retainer, and it literally saved my life. And like about 4 months after I started wearing it, pretty much all the symptoms have gone, and I just feel back to normal.
Now, if you can point with your finger where you used to feel the clicking in your head.
I used to feel it pretty much all over my head. I used to feel it like on the sides right here, top, and like around this area too.
Okay.
And he also had a lot of numbness.
Yeah, numbness on my face.
The
Eyes, yeah, pain behind my eyes, clogged ears, everything.
And he said a lot of times he couldn't feel the left side of his face. It affected his mood, and he was just kind of in a downward spiral until we figured out what it was, and now he's
pretty much all of that is just gone.
Yeah, completely
Back to
different
normal.
person because all the inflammation is gone, and he's able to get on with his life now.
All right. Good. Thank you.
Thank you.